Yes, sir. And you know what? I love nature. I love what God gave me.
Yeah, how old are you, man? 23.
23.
And how long have you been homeless, man? Off and on for about 4 or 5 years.
I was a state worker for the state of California.
19 years.
So we're talking about people here that have families.
Yep. I've only seen her a whole year out of her whole life.
This homeless shelter charges people to live there.
I labored for quite a few years. I'm a carpenter.
Okay, so you're in this situation not because you choose to be?
No, but the drug number comes from American.
So, and a lot of it has to do with the youth.
Job, I'm a young bum, I'm looking like a slug, sleeping outside with the cats and the dogs. It's a cruel world, what can I say? If I got fresh news maybe for my legs, it's a cruel world for somebody like me. You're trying to forget, pretend that you see now. Young bum, a young bum, a young bum, young bum, a young bum, a young bum, young bum, a young bum, a young bum, la-di-da-di-da-di-bum, you're right here.
Why?
But I dropped out because my dad threw his back out and dropped out and I had to go help him.
There was some young ones. The majority of them.
I got my tin cup, I shake it up, knapsack on my back, I move it up. Everywhere, who cares, who stares, say your prayers with theirs like I'm ready there. I like to scare rich people and I like to drink, so quit walking around like your shit don't stink. When I'm tin can tracking, sidewalk napping, shoulder tapping, what the fuck happened? I'm a young bum, a young bum, a young bum, young bum, a young bum, a young bum, young bum, a young bum, a young bum, that's what I on-ramp, cardboard sign was speaking my mind. I'm getting out of line, shoulder tapping, tin can tracking, sidewalk napping. What the fuck happened? Parking lot rapping, shoulder tapping, tin can tracking. What the fuck happened? I'm a
Now, you don't want to help me? God bless you, brother, man. You know, I want to ask you nothing. Well, God bless you. And God bless your heart. Because that's my heart.
Right.
Sure I am.
I just want to find a job.
My friend.
Why would you have to beg when you put your life on the line? That's a very good question.